Introducing the sleek and stylish 2020 Audi A3 SB 30 TDI 116 HP SE4 door in gray. This hatchback is loaded with top-notch features like Bluetooth, cruise control, and Android AutoCarplay. Safety is a top priority with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. The interior boasts luxury trim and ambient lighting for a comfortable ride. Plus, the limited slip differential and stop and start system enhance performance. Rest easy knowing this car has a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Visit audikerry.ie or call us today to make this Audi yours.